In order to prepare the debris basins for any future storms, the debris basins must be cleared out of sediment, and that sediment needs somewhere to go. So this project is at its core an emergency operation to clear the basins and to make sure the community is ready for future storms, but it also delivers sediment to a source that clearly needs it.
Over the last 50 years since the installation of flood control basins up in our watershed, all those coarse sediments have been intercepted, put in dump trucks, and exported to upland disposal sites, when nature had always intended it to come to the shoreline to add resilience and volume of sediments to protect the backshore from erosion and storms.
The material here at Carpinteria is coming from Arroyo Paredon Basin today. We also have plans for Santa Monica Basin and Gobernador Basin. Those sediment basins became very full in the storms in early January, and if that sediment is not removed, those debris basins can lose their effectiveness at preventing flood and debris damage downstream. It's necessary to do this work now because it's a federal, state, and locally declared emergency event. It's mid-January, and the debris basins are full, and we have a whole winter storm season ahead of us.